Hello, and thank you for watching the Dior Divas how-to video for the 30-day butt cream. I have here the Dior Divas oil and the Dior Divas butt cream. And I have a body sponge here. First, take your sponge and brush your butt, hips, and your thighs in a upward motion. Your butt, hips, and your thighs. Then you will take your cream, take some to cover your butt, hips, and your thighs. Put it on the areas where you want fat to grow. So if you only want it on your butt, only put it on your butt. If you want it on your hips and your thighs, then put it on your hips and your thighs. Rub it all the way in for 2 to 3 minutes. And then after, take your oil, shake it up, put some in your hand to cover your butt, hips, and your thighs, and rub it all in. And then take your body brush and brush in the upward motion your butt, hips, and your thigh area. This will open your pores, therefore the oil and the cream can get in through your skin and it can build fat. You can purchase this online on the website at www.diva, D-I-V-A, nation, N-A-T-I-O-N 1, the number 1.com. Thank you for watching.